You feeling bunky today?
For doubloons.
What are you two doing?
Oh no. It's okay, buddy. It's okay. No.
Oh, Madison! No!
So freaking. Excuse me! No! No! Is he alive even?
Yeah.
Oh, he's pissed. He looked at. Oh, it's kind of cute. That is the tiniest finger for comparison. Oh, he's looking at me. Tiny.
Can I get a? Oh yeah!
You're welcome.
Oh, he's so squishy. It's so cute!
Go for it.
Just do it.
Go for it.
You got to fall straight off. What's it gonna
Oh no.
You want food?
Hurry up!
This is not your home.
Oh no.
Take your coronavirus and leave.
This movie.
love each other?
Nice, Ron.
I sneezed. Oh, I'm not allowed to.
Wait, stop. Look at her. Okay, now do it again.
You're just a pretty princess. Come here.
Say wee. Go wee.
Excuse me, sweet angel. Hello.
Oh no. Don't move.
Yes. Oh, Ricky. monkey.
I'm told all the time that my job must be so fun because I get to play with dogs all the time, but this dude has been screaming the entire bag.
So we're about to find out if kookaburras like pasta. There he is. Got a bit in my hand.
Hi, Herbert.
Ready? Hop up. No, hop up. Oh no, we're saying.